Go ahead.
Reverse, forward. But if you want to steer, you put one track in high gear and one track in low gear, and both tracks will turn as it goes around the circle. Same thing with the other way. You just switch them like that, or you can do both low and both high.
I see.
Or you can use your brakes.
I see.
Just, to steer. It works both ways. It's really nice if you want to take a full load of material around a corner. You put one track in high, one in low, and one track's not stopped, so you don't lose that power. She'll just go.
I see.
All right.
Yeah.
Let me see if we can get some hours. If we don't be able to see that. On here or not.
Can you see it?
No, not really. Let's see if I can. Maybe this way. Then blow it up. It says 3,698.8. That's hours.
Okay.
3,000.